demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. So related to these topics, we will do some more new exercise. Okay students? So students, now let's move to the next exercise. Complete these sentences with this or these. So first number, dash are flowers. Here what is written? Are means plural, and here many flowers are there. So we write this or these. In plural we use these. So we write here, these are flowers. Dash is my book. So we write this or these. We write this. Why? Because book is nearby her. So this. Why we are writing this? Because she is having only single book. Okay, so we write this. Dash are fruits. Here what is written? Are means plural, and fruits are nearby him. So we write these. These are fruits. Dash are our new bicycles. Here many bicycles are there. So what we use? This or these? We use these because there are too many bicycles. Dash are his bags. So many bags are there, right? So we use these. In plural we use these. Dash is a large room. Here we are talking about only single room. So we use this, and room is near, right? So we write this is a large room. Now let's move to the next exercise. Complete these sentences with that or those. हम that or those कहाँ use कर सकते हैं? The things which is far to us. Dash is a train. Look, the train is far from him. So we use that because बहुत सारी trains नहीं है. Only single train is there. So we use that is a train. Dash are my dolls. Are so means plural, and dolls are far from her. So we use those. Those are my dolls. Dash are your books. Here they are talking about many books. So, and books are far from her. So we use those. Those are your books. Dash is a small shop. Dash is a small shop. Here we are talking about only one single shop. So we use that. And shop is far from her. So we use that. Dash is Jaya's house. Here they are talking about only single house, and house is far from him. So what we use? We use what we use? Those or that. That is Jaya's house. Dash are mountains. Here they are talking about many mountains, and mountains are far from him. दूर है ना? So we use those. Those are mountains. Dash are horses. Here two horses are there, right? Means more than one. It includes in the plural. So we use those, and horses are far from him. So we write those. Dash is your school. School is far from hers. So what we write? That or those? We write that. That is your school. Next, look at these pictures. Tick the correct answers and complete these sentences. Dash is my uncle's car. Look, car is far from her. She is pointing out. Means car is far from her. So what we use? That, these or those? We use that. अगर बहुत सारी कार होती तो हम those यूज कर सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पे only single car है. So we use that. Next, are dash your shoes. So that, these or this? that these or this, we write these. Why? Because a pair of shoes is there, right? Okay. Now moving to the next example. Please use your own pencil. Dash is mine. Pencil उसके हाथ में है, means pencil is nearby her. So we use this. Please use your own pencil. This is mine. Is dash your pencil box? Here she is talking about one pencil box, and pencil box is far from her. So what we use? This, that, or these? We use that for the far things, right? Dash are her crayons. Crayons means they are talking about not a single crayon, they are talking about many crayons. So what we use? Crayons are passed from him. So we use those. Those are her crayons. Dash are her crayons. Crayons are nearby him. So what we use? That, those, or these? We use these because crayons near हैं. Okay. Next, that dash rats have made holes in the sofa. So rats are nearby him. So what we use? These. हम क्या use करेंगे? These. Okay. These rats have made holes in the sofa. Match the words in column A with the words in column B. Each word in column A can be used more than once. ये जो words दिए हुए ना in column A, we have to match with column B. Okay. So what is written here? Apples are ripe. Apples are nearby her, and many apples are there. What we use? These. Okay. Now tea is hot. There is only one cup of tea, and tea is far from him. So what we use? That tea is hot. Okay, so we match with that. Dash clothes are dirty. Clothes are nearby her, and many clothes are there. So what we use? These clothes are dirty. Boy is my neighbor. Here he is talking about single boy. Okay, but boy is far from him. So what we use? That boy is my neighbor. Chairs are in the garden. Look, chairs are far from her, and many chairs are there. So what we use? Those. Why we are using those? Because chairs उससे दूर हैं. Okay. Next, pillow is very soft. They are talking about only one pillow, and pillow is nearby him. So what we use? This pillow is very soft. Bird is hurt. So look here. यहाँ पे एक ही bird की बात हो रही है और bird बाजू में भी है. So what we use? This bird is hurt. Okay. Next exercise, complete this sentence with demonstrative adjectives. Okay, so as we learn about the demonstrative adjectives. Dash skirt is pretty. Skirt is nearby her. So, and skirt is only one. So this skirt is pretty. Dash skirt is not. So look, skirt, here skirt is far from her. So we use that skirt is not. Dash boys are very noisy. So look, boys are far from him. So we use those. हमने those क्यों use किया? Because here two boys are there. So those boys are very noisy. And look, here boys are nearby her. So we use these. Why? Because boys are nearby him. These boys are quiet. Next, are dash apples sweet? Look, many apples are there and apples are far from her. So we use those. Are those apples sweet? Dash apples in the basket are not sweet. Look, apples are here nearby her. So we use these. These apples in the basket are not sweet. हमने these क्यों use किया? Because apples उसके near हैं. Okay, और बहुत सारे हैं. Is dash pen yours? Here he is talking about only one pen and pen is nearby him. So we use is this your pen? Is this pen yours? Dash one is Priya's. So look here, pen is far from him. So what we write? That. That one is Priya's pen. Okay. Dash cow gives milk. Look, cow is nearby him and only one cow is there. So we write this. This cow gives milk. Dash ox works in the field. Look, ox is far from him and only one ox is there. So we use that. That ox works in the field. Next, dash flowers are red. Look, many flowers are there and flowers are nearby him. So we use these. These flowers are red. Dash flowers are yellow. Look, flowers are far from him. So we use those. Why we are using those? Because flower उससे दूर भी हैं और बहुत सारे भी हैं. Refer this video. We will provide homework in our group. We will interact soon in online sessions for your queries and doubts.